Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Srizakiati Nisa with ID 632411066 and I'm from class 632B04 and I'm from UPSI Cutmutia Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will present a presentation for the Advanced English Midterm Exam with the theme talking about diversity of Indonesian cuisine, while also expanding the material on countable nouns. The first, I'm going to talk about something that makes us proud as Indonesians, the diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Indonesia is famous not only for its natural beauty and friendly people, but also for its rich and diverse cuisine. Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands and over 300 ethnic groups. That means we also have thousands of traditional foods. From Sumatra to Papua, each region has its own unique dishes. For example, rendang from West Sumatra, rich in coconut milk and spices. Gudeg from Yogyakarta, sweet and soft jackfruit stew. Pempek from Palembang, made from fish and tapioca with spicy vinegar sauce. Papeda from Papua, a sago porridge eaten with fish soup. Now, I would like to highlight a special dish and one of my favorite foods, Padang Satay. Padang Satay is different from regular satay. It is made from beef or oval that is boiled until tender, then grilled and served with a thick, spicy yellow sauce. The sauce is made from a blend of turmeric, chili, ginger, garlic, and various local spices. What makes Padang Satay special is not just its flavor, but also the cooking process and the tradition behind it. Padang Satay is usually eaten with lontong, a dense and chewy rice cake. It is served by placing slices of lontong on a plate, topping them with grilled satay, and pouring the thick, spicy yellow sauce all over. It is usually garnished with fried shallots. Sometimes, crispy crackers made from cow skin or cassava chips are added as side dishes. The taste is savory, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Padang Satay originates from the Minangkabau people in West Sumatra, who are well known for their love of bold and spicy food. So, Indonesian cuisine is more than just food. It is part of our culture, our identity, and our pride. It teaches us about local wisdom, traditions, and the beauty of diversity. Let's continue to love our local food, preserve the recipes, and introduce them to the world. Thank you so much for listening. That's all for me about talking diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Now, let's move on to the second part of my presentation, countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted individually. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Countable nouns have two forms, singular and plural. The first is singular form. A singular noun refers to just one item. It uses the article a or an. A is used for words that begin with a consonant, for example, a book, a friend, a pencil. An is used for words that begin with a vowel, a, I, U, E, O. For example, an egg, an orange, and an umbrella. Next, plural form. Plural nouns refer to more than one item. To change a singular noun to plural, there are two types. The first, regular nouns. These follow a pattern. 1. Add s at the end. For example, 1 car, 2 cars, 1 dog, 2 dogs, 1 book, 2 books. Next, add es if the noun ends in s, x, z, ch, sh. For example, 1 bus, 2 buses, 1 match, 2 matches, 1 dish, 2 dishes. Next, add s or es if the noun ends in o. For example, 1 zoo, 2 zoos, 1 hero, 2 heroes. Next, change y to i's if the noun ends in a consonant plus y. For example, 1 day, 2 days, 1 baby, 2 babies. Next, change f or v to vest. For example, one leaf, two leaves, one wolf, two wolves. Next, irregular nouns. These do not follow regular rules. The only way to learn them is by memorizing. For example, one child, two children, one man, two men, one sheep, two sheep. Next, quantifiers for countable nouns. We use quantifiers like few, many, several, a lot of. For example, many cars, a few chairs, several students. We can also use numbers or some with plural countable nouns. For example, 5 books, some apples. Next, questions with countable nouns. Use the structure how many plus countable noun. For example, how many apples are there? There are 5 apples. Next, negative sentence with countable nouns. Structure subject plus do or does plus not plus countable noun plural. For example, I don't have any books. She doesn't own many cars. Next, common mistakes of countable nouns. Avoid using much with countable nouns. For example, incorrect sentence, I have much books. Correct sentence, I have many books. And the last conclusion of countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted and have singular or plural forms. Use articles, quantifiers, and numbers with them. And practice with examples to improve your understanding. That's all for me, more or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.